welcome to this week's food adventure where we are at DBakers. This is in Wynwood. This shop is one of my favorite pastry places. They originally started at a farmer's market close to where I live, and they have amazing cakes, amazing pastries, anything from like little mini cakes to like these awesome tower cakes. So let's go in and let's see. We couldn't eat it at the bakery because it's really small and we were just in the way. So we brought all these goodies and I couldn't contain myself, as you can see. So we did a dozen macaroons with different flavors. We're ranging from vanilla, caramel, dulce de leche, fig with goat cheese, Earl Grey, apple, passion fruit, rose water, guava, Earl tea, and creme brulee. So guava, dulce de leche, salted caramel, and cookie butter. And then we did little like petite desserts. This is apple pie cheesecake, guava cheesecake, and then a lemon tart. And then they have these super cute little cakes. I guess you could call them like little birthday cakes. Unfortunately, I left them out and this one got a little bit ruined, but it doesn't hurt the flavor, I promise. And I just love how intricate they are with the little macaroons and the sprinkles, and it's like a little tier cake. So I think that this is like the perfect gift for like a birthday. But we're not here to celebrate a birthday. We're here to be fatties and try them all, or at least a little bite. This is the apple cheesecake. It's like apple pie in the form of a cheesecake. That is really, really, really good. And I love like the dulce de leche on the top and even the crust.
Yes.
All right, so next up is the guava cheesecake. Is there anything in the center? I can't see.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh, okay, they have like, I guess they put guava in the center. Mm. Oh my god, that is so good. If you love guava, that is so good. The center has like guava, and then it's really creamy because it's cheesecake, and this icing or whipped cream. So next up is a lemon tart. I love how it has this like key lime pie vibe, which they didn't have any, but I love getting their key lime pie. It's actually one of my favorite desserts there, and unfortunately they didn't have any when we went, so I can't show you that. But if you guys ever do go, try that key lime pie. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh my god, get it together, woman. Okay. It's tart, it's sweet, it's like a graham cracker crust. The meringue is really good. This is good. Not a lemon tart fan, but that's very good. I prefer key lime. I'm sorry I ruined the cake. I got home and instead of putting it away in the fridge, I just left it in the...
It looks like an old lady with osteoporosis.
Oh my god. Okay.
Are you saying that the only thing holding that thing up was the plastic?
No, I'm so sorry, cake. Okay. So this is, I guess, a chocolate macaroon or a Nutella, because this is a Nutella cake. It's definitely Nutella. It's really good. Okay. I'm sorry, I completely destroyed this. So, their icing is so good. So it's like a white cake with a chocolate hazelnut flavor. I can eat that whole thing. And I've used them before to like order cakes for birthdays. In the recent months, we bought a guava cake from them. It was really good. One time we asked for a sloth cake. Super cute. All right, so a vanilla macaron on top of the cake. So good. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I'm sorry. This is so good. The buttercream is fresh. The cake is moist. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. So I guess they run the frosting all the way into the cupcake. And that's dulce de leche. Oh Lord, you're calling my name. Ah. So something on my face. No, maybe one. Who cares? It's so good. What really makes this is the frosting and the dulce de leche. The cake is okay. I'm not a fan of chocolate. Disclaimer. But it's good. It's moist. But what makes it is the dulce de leche. Check out these awesome macarons. Sorry, that's my dog. What I really like comes in this super cute presentation. It's like a little sleeve. It's adorable. Okay. The Earl Grey. I can't. Once you start chewing it, like those flavors start developing. There's like a caramel center. Okay, this is like my ultimate favorite here because the flavors are so unique. And this is the fig with goat cheese. My favorite. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now that I have a sugar rush, I'm gonna go and finish off these desserts. I'll probably bounce off the walls. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. If you like it, hit the button. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you.